What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Sticks coming out with another uh, video here, another trade analysis video or chart analysis video. I apologize. It's 2:40 a.m. I couldn't sleep, so I decided to wake up or I decided to get up out of bed and do some kind of video for y'all in regards to trading, since the past few haven't really been about that. Anyway, I hope you guys watched the last video. I gave away a bunch of money, had a lot of fun doing it, and I plan on doing it more and more and more. So yeah, don't forget to sub to the channel. I'll be picking random people from the channel, from the YouTube channel, and picking their names because you guys are supposed to leave a comment on any of the videos or all videos so that your chances would go up. Anyway, back to the video. So one of my favorite stocks here, DGAZ. Let's zoom out quite a bit here. So as everybody knows, this is the 180 day. I'm sorry, that's the yearly chart. Let's go to the 180 day. Here we go. 180 day. As you can all see, for all these lines, ignore them. I was doing another video about my favorite patterns, which is channels and wedges, triangles, etc. And it all fit here because yeah, I love it. Anyway, as you can see, the high, it was like 208, and all of a sudden it just started going down. Notice how it's bouncing very nicely off of this channel. It's just bouncing. It dipped more, got back up, right back into the channel. Try to break out here. Nope, failed. Fell right down. I thought I drew this circle here. I thought it might bounce back up, continue the pattern. No. Right here is where the break of the pattern happened on the downside, and it just slammed all the way down. Look how low it got. It got down to 85 bucks. You guys, from 85 all the way up to 208 something dollars. That's 136% on the way up. Well, look what's happening now. It's starting to go back up, right? So when people ask me, well, look at this chart, and they look at the chart, and I see, let me get rid of my little cursor here. I see that the chart is like this, for example, and they see that it's going down. I'm like, no, why would you trade it when it's going down? You want to trade it when it's going up. You want to catch that upward momentum. Now here, the real question, like right now, I mean, look, it's past the 9 EMA, right? It's just sitting on top of the 9 EMA. This is the 9 EMA. It's just sitting on top of it, and it's just basically following it on top of it. The real question is, how much does it still have? How much steam does it still have? Can it keep on going? Right? That's the $1 million question that any trader will ask. And when do I get in? Getting in probably would have been here during this big old candle. Excuse me. Has it had enough? I'm not sure. I think it's slowing down a little bit if you're looking at it day by day. But I think it will continue to go back up right to where it was before. $148. Geez, from 86 to 148. I was busy playing WoW, you guys. I've been so busy playing WoW because I wanted to get to 60. Finally got to 60. Now I'm able to finally settle down and my brain can kind of focus on this again. So I wish I would have caught it here or here. If I would have, even if you like for the small account challenge, that $2,500 that's sitting at 3,500, I think at the moment, or 4,500. I haven't taken a trade in that one in a long time because of gaming. But anyway, if I would have taken those 3,500, that's a 40%. All right, so doing some quick, before I mess something up, doing some quick maths here. Right, so 3,500 times, we said it was 40%, right? 40%. That's a $1,400 win. That's a lot of money on a small. That would have been a good jump for the $2,500 challenge. And I'm just, at the moment, I'm trying to analyze to see if there is more room for growth here, if it will continue to go up or not. So let's take a look at another time frame, because right now this is the 180-day 4-hour time frame. I believe that within the next few days we might see a little bit of downward. Hopefully not a lot. We may see a little bit of downward and then some continuation going up. Um, this was a previous support that it broke on the way up, and that's good. That shows strength, as you can see previous. So touched it here down. So this line is strong. So it broke right clean past that. So let's take a look at the 1 day. Okay. So on the 1 day, meaning each candle is 1 day, and this is a year back. Okay, 1 day, 1 year. I mean, look where it was at before, you guys. 300 and something. Anyway, um, I mean, it looks like, look at how clean that is. And this is actually a pattern. I forgot what it was called. S-wave pattern or some kind of pattern, some kind of wave pattern. Anyway, but besides the point, this looks good. It doesn't tell me if it's going to continue to go up yet or not, other than the fact that the 90 MA, it is way above the 90 MA. On the RSI, look how it looks like it's getting to the point where it's about to be touched. Actually, you know what? I usually like to change the RSI to 20 for the low and 80 for the top. For some reason, because I hardly ever use the 1 year, 1 day chart, it's still sitting at 70-30, I believe. I'm not sure. Maybe that's why. I don't know. But yeah. So look at that. This doesn't really tell me much other than I see, because stocks move in waves, sine waves. If you do anything about maths, if you remember math back in the day, geometry or whatever grade you were when they taught you this, sine waves, right? It goes like this. That's how stocks essentially move. They move in waves. So the question is this the end? Is this the top, the crest? I think it's what it's called, of the wave. Is it going to go back down? Let's look a little bit further. So let's look at the 3-year, 1 week chart. Okay, MACD looks good. And by the way, the MACD, I use it because I have these two lines. These two are EMAs. All right. This is the 9 EMA and I think it's the longer EMA. Can't remember, but it's a small EMA and a large EMA, and that tells you a lot. So it crossed here, the EMAs, and look at that, it's going up. So I think it may go back up to the 180, 190. I may want to jump in on this. Unfortunately, of course, it's 2:48 a.m. my time right now, so there's no way I can do that at the moment. Um, but I'm probably gonna put the money that's in the small account challenge and then write it out and see if I can get a good 10-20% off of this. Um, yeah, I know 10-20 doesn't sound like a lot, but it's a lot when you're talking about a small account. Um, so yeah, that's DGAZ. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I'm going to look at the 180-day 4-hour chart to kind of make my move, because I do have a feeling this will dip a little bit, just like everything, just like it always does. Even on the 3-year weekly chart, it looks like it's still just shooting up. When you look into it, when you zoom in, you'll notice that it has its ups and downs. Okay, even right here, it has its ups and downs, ups and downs, ups and downs. This is normal. However, with DGAZ, it moves. The down can be, from 137 all the way down to 128. All right, that's a lot. That's like 9 points. So I want to catch one of those downsides first. So if we have, like, look at this red candle. Okay, you got from 146 all the way down to 140. That's 6 points. So you want to get the meat of the move. You want to catch all of it. You want to catch the bottom and then ride it from that very bottom to the top. So that's what I'm going to try and do. I think in the next maybe day or two, it will probably give you a nice. Is it daily? Oh, the 4 hour, yeah. So each candle is 4 hours. So I think it'll give you a nice down candle, a red candle. That's when I will enter by going into the 5 minute. I don't know if you guys know that, but I gauge where I'm gonna enter a chart based on the 180-day, a year, 3 year, and then I kind of pinpoint exactly my enter. I get my signal from the 1 minute or from the 5 minute. Okay, so yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. It looks like DGAZ is in play for me. I am gonna be playing World of Warcraft now, so hopefully I'll set an alarm at 8:30, and that way I can keep this in the background so I can keep on checking it. All right, but that's it. That's it for today's video. Quick little video, just kind of analyzing my thoughts on DGAS. Um, there are other ones that I'm looking at that are still kind of, iffy. Um, yeah, so, but anyhow, that was it for today. Please follow the YouTube channel. Follow the YouTube channel. I am almost at 100 subscribers. I know that doesn't seem like a lot. It's not. It's a brand new channel. I am trying my hardest to grow it. I am putting out videos, giving money away to show that I do mean it. It is true. It is real. I am going to give money away, and I will be picking random people that are subs to the channel who have left a comment on any of the videos. The more comments you leave on each video, the more your chances are of, and they have to be valuable comments, like hello, I'm so and so, not just a letter or a word. That's not gonna work out. Leave a good comment on there. Leave it on every single video. That way, because I'm gonna pick it at random. It's gonna be completely random. I don't know what video I'm gonna pick, and I'm gonna pick someone in there, and I'm gonna donate money basically. So and I'm gonna do it live on Twitch. So one of these days I will do that. It needs to hit 100 subscribers. I was at 97, and then I saw it went down to 96, and it broke my heart. But yeah, anyway. So please sub to the YouTube channel. That is the most important thing. I have people that are subbing and following the Twitch, and that is great. Thank you so much for that. However, the YouTube is where it's at for me because I want to grow that channel. Eventually, I want that channel to be monetized, and that money, I want to recycle it and go to the community by giving it away to you guys, to streamers, to subs. That's it's kind of gonna go. It's gonna be like that basically. It's gonna be content that's gonna be made, that's gonna make money, that it's going to be funneled right back into you guys, the subs, the community, and give it away at random. Um, that is the plan for that channel. A shout out again to Mr. Beast for the idea because what he's doing, I loved it, and I had so much fun giving away money during the last video that I made. Believe it or not, that video took like 2 weeks. It was crazy because I could not get those reactions that I wanted. So people were like, "Oh, cool, you gave money, thank you," and that's it. I think part of the reason is because I'm not giving a large amount, but at the same time, I am not Mr. Beast. I cannot give away $20,000, $100,000. Not yet, at least. Anyway, that's it. Follow my social media. Um, you know, twitch.tv/sticks_trades. Follow my YouTube, which is one of those weird long, you know, addresses still, since I don't have the ability to make it smaller or to make it, stick straights yet. But yeah, thank you so much. Like the video, subscribe. Peace. See y'all later.